Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare two platforms, Skool and Whop. Both are great for building communities and managing memberships, but which one is better for you? Let's find out. First up is Skool. Skool is designed around community-based learning, combining a learning management system with a social media-like interface. It's ideal if you're a coach, educator, or a content creator who wants to build an interactive, engaged community. With Skool, you can create a space where members can discuss topics, share progress, and participate in discussions all in one place. It's simple, clean, and easy to use. But it doesn't have as many advanced sales and membership features as some other platforms does. Now let's talk about Whoop. Whoop is more focused on membership management and monetization. It's perfect for creators and entrepreneurs who want to sell memberships, digital products, or subscriptions. Whoop offers features like payment integrations, custom landing pages, and even tools for running your own marketplace. While it's not as focused on community building as Skool, Whoop is excellent for anyone looking to create a subscription-based business and manage payments and membership in all-in-one platform. If your focus is on creating a community-based learning environment, then Skool is your go-to platform. But if you're more interested in selling memberships and managing subscriptions or digital products, Whoop might be a better choice.